Hi all, I welcome you all back to the channel of BeePracticed, and today we will be looking at another AWS Solutions Architect Associate practice questions and explanations. So it states, the company has an application that posts messages to Amazon SQS. Another application posts a queue and processes the messages in an IO-intensive operation. The company has a service level agreement that specifies the maximum amount of time that can elapse between receiving the messages and responding to the users. Due to an increase in the number of messages, the company has difficulty meeting its SLA consistently. What should a solutions architect do to help improve the application's processing time and ensure it can handle the load at any level? So we have four options, but before we jump to the four options, okay, let's check the hints which is there in the given question. So hint number one is pertaining to the service level agreement, and the second hint is that due to this, the company is not able to meet its selling consistently. So what should be the correct answer, right? So before we jump to this, okay, let's check for the inside of it. So it says that the main issue here is that if the number of messages increases, then the company is not able to meet its SLA, right? So whenever we have this and we have this kind of situation, right? And then if we have to choose the right operation or the right option for giving the solution from the solutions architect perspective, we should be thinking of the most impactful answer in this case, right? So if you see that options A and B, they do not address the scalability requirements and they do not provide a mechanism for dynamically adjusting capacity based on workload demand. And that actually makes them less suitable for handling varying messages loads efficiently. So in this way, option A and option B cannot be the right answer for us. And if you think about option C, so option C, it actually proposes using a target tracking policy based on the age of the oldest message in the SQS queue. Okay, it might not be the most suitable approach as in this scenario because it directly correlates the scaling action with the queue length, which may not accurately reflect the actual processing workload. So in that case, option C can also not be used. Now, coming down to option D. So the basic, okay, meaning behind option D is that it is also kind of going to use the target tracking policy only, but it will be based on the CPU utilizations, which keeps in the check that if there are any additional instances from the CPU which is launched, if in case of there is too much of like the workload due to the messages and the threshold it like crosses from the CPU key usage limit, then in that case also it will be a best option to instantly handle the incoming messages in this scenario also. So the response time will be good and also the balancing of the workload it will be good. So in that case, option D is going to be the right answer. So, and if you want some more hints, you can always check back at this particular hint, right? So yeah, option D, it actually helps in focusing on the scalability also, right? So I hope you have liked this content, and if you have liked the video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I thank you all for your time and I wish you a very happy learning. Thank you.